The topic before us is email scanning. These days, to communicate with one another, we use emails. In the past, we used to send letters through post to communicate with others. But now, with the passage of time, our message can be communicated to the other person through email, electronic mail. Now, when we send the email to the other person, or when we receive the email from some other person, many times it contains an attachment, and sometimes it may also contain a link. It may be possible that the emails has been sent to us by some cyber criminal or hacker. And when we click on the attachment, or when we click on the link which has been sent to us by the cyber criminal, if we click on the attachment, it may be possible that some malicious software may get downloaded on our system, or when we click on the link, we may visit some malicious site. Sometimes it may also be possible that the wording of the email is such that it that the wording prompts us or motivates us to do the actions as desired in the email. So these days the cyber email is being used by the cyber criminals as an important carrier for carrying malicious software. In other words, the cyber criminals are making use of emails to launch cyber attacks or to deliver malicious software to the general public or corporations, etc. Email scanning is a technique used by modern antivirus software to detect and block malicious content in email messages. Email scanning automatically checks both incoming and outgoing emails for various threats before they can reach your inbox or leave your network. The main or primary focus of email scanning is to scan attachments. When we receive email, it is possible that it is from some cyber criminal. It may contain an attachment. So the email scanning technique scans the attachments or scan all the files which are there in the form of attachment, and the file may be like PDF or zip file. So it will scan these files or attachments for known malware signatures or suspicious codes. Now, other main focus of email scanning is to analyze links. It may be possible that there may be some link in the email. So, the primary focus of the email scanning technique is also to analyze the links which are there in the email so that it can check against databases of known malicious domains and using heuristics or behavioral analysis to identify and block suspicious URLs that may lead to phishing sites or malware downloads. So, the in addition to scan the attachments, email scanning also focuses or also does the work of analyzing the links which may be there in the emails. By analyzing the links, it tries to find out whether the link will lead to some malicious site or some phishing site. Now, other purpose is to filter content. Some email scanning solutions go beyond just attachments and links. That is, in addition to links and attachments, email scanning solutions also filter the contents. Contents means what is written in the email, other than attachments and links. What is stated in the email? It is the content of the mail. So, some email scanning solutions also filter the contents. Here, the email scanning, they use advanced methods like artificial intelligence, linguistic analysis, etc. to examine the email body. Email body means what is written in the email for suspicious keywords, patterns, or tactics indicative of phishing or social engineering attacks. So, email scanning makes use of advanced techniques to find out whether the email will ultimately result into some phishing attack or social engineering attack. So, if the threat is detected by this email scanning technique, the software, that is the antivirus software, will block, quarantine, or flag the email. If the threat is detected by going through the email body or by going through attachment or link, then the antivirus will block, quarantine, or flag the email. So email scanning is a very important technique used by the antivirus software to prevent malicious, to prevent our systems from malicious software. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to